Hey, hello everybody, my name is Chance, and this is Everything Animation, a channel dedicated to answering every question that you have about every part of the animation industry. Today, we're going to be talking about what a Vancouver Film School stream is. Now, a stream is kind of like a major, but there are only 3 streams to choose from when you're going to Vancouver Film School. The streams are modeling, animation, and VFX, or visual effects. You get to choose which stream you're going into at the end of Term 2 during your Term 2 presentation, where you're going to be presenting the work that you've done in Terms 1 and 2 in this video format to all of the teachers that represent the streams. So there'll be like the head of visual effects, the head of animation, the head of modeling, and there's also going to be a creative head to help out with choosing which demo reel idea you're going to be choosing. You have to choose a stream because in terms 3 to 6, you're going to be doing advanced classes for that stream. And also your demo reel is going to be showing skills within that stream. So everything you do after Term 2 is really aimed at getting you a job in that stream. Now maybe you don't know which stream you want to go into, and that's totally fine. I didn't, so many people didn't, and they learned by just trying. And even at the Term 2 presentation, if you don't know, you can actually go in and just say, I don't really know which stream I should go into, and they'll suggest which one you should go into. First of all, based on your skill, and second of all, based on your ideas for your demo reel. Because, you know, if you're thinking of like, man, I really want to build this whole world, then you might want to do, you know, modeling. Oh man, I really want to do some fun cartoony dancing thing. Well, then you're probably an animator. Oh, I really want to make like robots like actually fight like a real person, visual effects. Okay, you kind of get the idea. They're going to help you out with choosing your stream if you don't want to choose it for yourself. But at the end of the day, it's still your choice. Remember, choose the thing that's best for you. Now, though there are only 3 streams for you to choose from, visual effects, modeling, and animation, there are also sub-streams. And the sub-streams, they kind of encompass every other job in the industry. And visual effects, modeling, and animation are the biggest, but there are so many sub-streams, like lighting, or layout, or match move, or compositing, or there's so many of them. And what they do in VFS is you still choose one general stream. So like if you're going to be doing match move, then you go to the visual effects stream. If you're going to be doing layout, then you go to the animation stream. If you want to do lighting, you might go to the modeling stream. And if you don't know, you say, I really like doing this, they might suggest you go into a specific stream based on the sub-stream that you like. The only thing that choosing a sub-stream instead of a regular stream is going to do for you is they might find you an industry professional that's actually doing the job from your sub-stream instead of your regular stream, which they did for me, which was really cool. So for me, I did switch streams a lot, but for 4 months, I was in the animation stream doing a sub-stream of layout. They actually found me a layout previs night mentor who was currently working in the industry to help me with my layout stuff, which was just super helpful, really cool. They might not do that for your substream, but if you ask, they might try. If you don't, they never will. The only other thing that choosing a substream instead of a stream will do is it will change your personal focus on your demo reel. And of course, what job you want to get in the future. Because if you want to do, let's say rigging, you're going to be going to the animation stream, but your demo reel is not going to be an animation demo reel. It's going to be a rigging demo reel. So that is why you want to have an industry professional that will be able to help you make a reel for the specific job that you're looking for. If you have any questions about anything animation, please leave them down in the comments down below and I will answer them there or in a video itself, and I will credit you unless you say you don't want to be credited. But thank you guys so much for watching this one. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.